I just can't let you go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time seeing this beautiful face, consider subscribing. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a DIY coffee scrub, yes, using only 3 ingredients. So if you want to know how to make this scrub that will leave your face flawless, smooth and glow, kindly continue watching. So guys, let's get into the video. All you need is that there are 3 ingredients. First of all, you need coffee. I have my coffee here. You need your honey. Mwah. Mwah. You need your honey, and can I place it here? I hope it don't fall. And you need your sugar. Your sugar. These are some of the ingredients that you can find easily in your kitchen. Okay, so let's make that DIY. Okay, so first we take our jar. This is our mixing jar. It's clear. Hope you can see. Let me put it here so that everyone can see what I'm doing. So we'll take a clear jar. We take our coffee. Coffee has anti-aging benefits, so it can be used as acne treatment. It reduces dark circles, it reduces inflammation. Okay guys, so we take our coffee. We take our coffee. And I don't like how coffee smells. The smell of the coffee, I don't like it. I do not like it. So we are putting our coffee here. This is pure coffee, by the way. If you want to, I'll take 2 sachets. Let's use 2 sachets. Oh, oops. If you've tried this DIY coffee scrub, comment down below. Let me know if it has worked for you. Remember to subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up. We have our coffee here. The next ingredient is our sugar. You can use white or brown depending on what you have in your kitchen. So 1 tablespoon is enough. Our sugar. Then the fun part, honey. Also, honey is a good treatment of acne, so if you have acne, you can use it in a skincare routine. So we'll take 1 spoon. Oh, messing. Oh, it's not okay. Then we mix. We are mixing to create the mask. I think I will add more honey so that guys, I don't know if you can see. I'm just mixing so that I can make our scrub. So just doing the mixing. We have mixed the 3 ingredients. Remember, I've used honey, sugar and coffee. So I will start scrubbing, then I let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, wash my face, and we are done. Okay, so let's start scrubbing. Let me come close. Guys, as you can see in my face, I have few spots on my forehead. As I keep on saying, I had spots all over my cheek, but they are gone. So we are scrubbing our face. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I forgot to close my hand. My God. Oh my God. Oh my God. So we just applying the scrub and scrubbing. Scrubbing the forehead. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you have tried this scrub, let me know the ingredients that you put. No, 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 no. So guys, I'm done applying the mask all over my face. Oh my God, it's a mess. Some scrub is getting into my mouth and it tastes. So I've applied and now I wait for it to dry, then I wash it off. Can't wait to wash this thing off, but I know it's gonna work and it's always works, so I won't complain. So it's sticky because of the honey. So let's wait for 10 minutes, then we wash it off. I will come back when I've already washed the face. This is after 10 to 15 minutes after waiting for it to dry. As you can see, it's sticky, so that's when you'll know it's dry and it's cannot now move. My shirt is in a mess, so don't judge me. So what I will do, I will go wash my face, then I come back and show you the results. What? Can you notice the difference? Any difference, guys? Can you see any difference? Up front. Guys, I'm back. This is after I have washed my face and I'm telling you, oh my God, this scrub is amazing. So much amazing. I hope you can see the difference. I hope you can see how the face is smooth, and I've not put my all-time favorite moisturizer. So this is how the face looks like. I'm telling you, you should try this DIY coffee scrub today. Actually, right now, pause the video and try it. If you have been looking for a good scrub and you don't want to spend a lot of money buying scrubs, kindly do this DIY and your face will thank you for it. So what I will do, I will moisturize using my favorite moisturizer. Yeah, I'm just moisturizing my face. Oh my God, so that I don't want to leave my face dry. Oh God, the face feels so smooth. Like I'm close. See? You see? You see? And that is it. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching this tutorial or a hack. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know if you have tried or if you will try. Then yeah, share this video with your friends. Until next time, bye bye. Love you.